That's such a cool song. Woo! Yeah, it really is.
How y'all doing? It's great to see y'all here. Thanks for coming out. I should tell you a little bit about this guitar. This is a Rickenbacker guitar that I purchased way back in the first week of 1969. 68 had been a cool year for me and my band Creedence. We'd had a big hit record called Suzy Q. And so, in deference of trying not to be a one-hit wonder, I bought this guitar and made a bunch of changes to it and was hoping to have a career in music, you know, last longer than 2 months or whatever is the usual. So I made all these modifications. I won't bore you with all that stuff, except for one thing. I put a humbucker pickup right here off of a Les Paul Gibson guitar. And I did that because I had heard about these guys over in England named Jimmy, Jeff, and Eric. Ask your grandpa. He'll tell you. We're talking about Jimmy Page, Jeff Beck, Eric Clapton. Remember, this is only first week of 69, but those guys were already legends to all us guitar players. And I wanted to get some of that vibe, and so I put that pickup right there on the guitar. I played it on everything, you know, Green River, down on the corner, up around the... Well, heck, I played this guitar at Woodstock! Sorry, Jerry. By the way, if you want to look that up, go be my guest. There's a whole story about me and Woodstock and the Grateful Dead and somewhere about 3 o'clock in the morning and 500,000 people asleep. But I digress. Anyway, let's see. The rocket ship went straight up, man. I mean, the time with Creedence was just all these songs I was writing and recording and stuff was just flying up there. And of course, about 1972, it started going the other direction pretty quick. My band broke up, my girlfriend left me, and my dog bit me. And right about then, you know how life is, never relaxing, no rest for the wicked. About that time, this 12-year-old kid comes up to me and says, "Hey, John, can I have one of your guitars?" And I took this most iconic, precious thing I'd ever had in my life, and I gave it to that boy, and I didn't see it again for a long time. Well, anyway, a couple of years ago, this is where the story gets good. My beautiful wife, Julie, who is the hero of all of my stories, went out in the middle of America and knocked on doors and beat bushes, and she found my guitar and brought it home and put it under the Christmas tree. That's right, she wasn't going to straight ahead say, "Here's your guitar." She made me work for it. But anyway, there I was. After 44 years, I got my baby back. So I turned the pants into a shirt, and here we are. You know, rock and roll, you never know. You got to have a back door, a B plan. Anyway, what was I going to say? Anyway, I told you about that Woodstock thing. Yep, I went up there with all those other people, all us young hippies. And after it was over, I went home and I wrote this song on this guitar.